Good morning to one and all present here, respected teachers, faculties, panel members, judges, and mentors. We are here to give a presentation on our project for the event Navrachna 2020. Let us introduce ourselves. This is Team Tigers with team members as me, Ashutosh Sharma, Ayush Taparia, and Ishant Bole from Shri Vaishnav Institute of Technology and Science, SVV, Indore, Madhya Pradesh. With our topic as experimental study and evaluation of fluid properties on diesel and petrol engines using hybrid fuel blends. This project has been done under the guidance of Professor Mukesh Singh Sir. This is Ashutosh Sharma and I would like to start the presentation with some background information. Introduction. As we all know, the matter around the world is price of crude oil. As you can see in the screen, let's talk about the main key points, which are hike in global prices of crude oil, depletion burden on foreign exchange, growth in petroleum consumption, urbanization, population, and whatnot. To have sustainable growth in industries, production, manufacturing, healthy environment, and all other sectors. Solution has been emphasized on the development of renewable liquid fuels. Well, this is necessary too, as all the major work done around the world is through internal combustion engines such as spark ignition engines or petrol engines and compression ignition engines or diesel engines. They are almost used in every sector such as fields of transportation, agriculture, industrial sector because they provide higher fuel conversion efficiency, easier operation and economy. Till now, they are operated with conventional fuel derived from crude oil. Now, let's move over and talk about the problem regarding this matter, which as we can see in the screen are production of crude oil become more difficult, price of crude oils increasing day by day, natural petroleum resources getting depleted very fast, increasing pollution, damage to environment, pollutants such as unburned hydrocarbons, carbon monoxides, oxides of nitrogen, and smoke emission causing severe health hazards. This will remain a threat to the healthy life of the people in many developed countries, in spite of various laws being enforced in wake of regulation on exhaust emission, besides the steps being taken to protect the environment against pollution by enforcing rules and regulations for pollution control. There is still a need to find a reliable alternative renewable fuels. Let's move ahead, and as all we know, with the problem being faced, there comes an objective to eliminate it. The main objective of this project is to study and evaluate the fluid properties on diesel engines and petrol engines which are using hybrid fuel blends, which is the combination of anhydrous ethanol, soybean oil and petroleum fuels. With an objective in mind, there comes an aim. The aim of this study is to review the use of mixture of soybean oil and ethanol as an alternative fuel for internal combustion engines and use ethanol and soybean oil at stoichiometric ratio. Here the keywords can be noted as bioethanol, soybean oil, phase separation, diesel engine emission and petrol engine emission. Now, as we are using hybrid fuel blend, a question arises why we can't just use ethanol with diesel or petrol? Well, ethanol is not readily mixable with diesel and petrol fuels. It is one of the difficulties using ethanol on diesel and petrol engines. The use of ethanol diesel and ethanol petrol blends has some limitations. It has lower viscosity, lower lubricity, reduced ignitionability, high cetane numbers, higher volatility, which may lead to increased unburned hydrocarbons emissions and lower miscibility. This may cause phase separation with catastrophic consequences. Moving ahead, with the same basic information, there comes another question in mind: why we need additives? The difficulties while using pure ethanol, adding with diesel or petrol for blends can be overcome using additives. Ethanol could be mixed easily with addition of suitable additives. Additives such as N-butanol, isobutanol, vegetable oil esters and etc. act as a bridging agent. This provides molecular compatibility and bonding and helps to produce a homogeneous mixture. Here we have chosen soybean oil as the additive. From now, all over to you, Ishant.
This is Ishan Bhole. Now let's proceed ahead. The question comes in mind is what would be the procedure to make a hybrid blend and how it can be analyzed? Well, here is the answer. Hybrid blend of anhydrous ethanol, refined soybean oil and diesel or petrol can be prepared by mixing them in several proportions. Start the blending with 1% ethanol, 10% soybean oil and by further increasing it. The blend stability can be noted by observing the phase separation change in color and homogeneity. According to this observation, the final hybrid blend can be selected for study. The fuel properties such as flash and fire point and carbon residues of this blend were analyzed. As you can see in the screen, this is the vehicle which is used for testing. And these are the vehicle specification. Let's move ahead. Following results which are obtained while performing the test using the hybrid fuel blends. First is the flash and fire point of pure ethanol and ethanol soybean oil blend. This experiment is done in our college chemistry lab. As you can see in the diagram, this diagram indicates our apparatus which are used in our experiment. We used closed cup flash fire point apparatus, which is also known as Penske-Martin apparatus. In Penske-Martin apparatus, a water medium is used. The oil container contains oil and the thermometer is dipped in the oil. The oil is continuously mixed by the stirrer drive. When the temperature rises, vapor are generated in the oil container and a tip of flame is placed near the ignition burner. Here is the result of ethanol mixed soybean oil flash and fire point measurement. And here is pure ethanol flash and fire point measurement. For the investigation of proportion of emission, we make our own gas analyzer, which is basically work on sensors and Internet of Things. The sensor which are used is MQ6 sensor, MQ135, MQ7 sensors. This sensor measures harmful gases like carbon monoxide, NOx, NH3 which are emitted from the engine. They are used in air quality control equipments for building, offices. These are the basic structure and configuration of our sensor. This sensor module contains 4 pins. First is VCC, which is plus 5 volt. Second is ground, which is negative portion of electricity. Third is digital out, and fourth is analog out. This sensor is composed by micro Al2O3 ceramic tube, tin dioxide, sensitive layer measuring electrode and heater are fixed into a crust made by plastic and stainless steel net. The heater provided necessary work for condition work of sensitivity. So here we come on the conclusion that hybrid fuel containing anhydrous ethanol up to 20% level and refined soybean oil up to 40% level can have approximately their properties capability with diesel and petrol. It concluded from the analysis of experimental results that the blend mixture 4% anhydrous ethanol, 21% refined soybean oil and 75% diesel or petrol blend could be effectively used as a hybrid fuel in the existing compression ignition engine and spark ignition engine without any hardware modification. So thank you to all.